Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an Discord setup that exe installation has failed to extract installer. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be, if you already have Discord installed on your computer, then you just need to right click on the start icon and select the installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for Discord. In Discord, you just need to select the three dot icon and select uninstall it, guys. After uninstalling Discord, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open up browser and now search for Discord, and you will be get the official website of Discord. Click on the download option. Download for Windows, select it. It started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it, guys. Now hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.